Hi, I'm Jamie Anderson. I'm President and Director of Training at Rational Acoustics. What we're showing here today is our new product, Smaart SPL. Smaart SPL is actually a derivative of our main product, which is Smaart 8. Smaart 8 contains SPL measurement capability. In a recent development over the last year, we've greatly expanded the measurement and logging capabilities of the Smaart 8 platform. And it became apparent that there were many customers that wanted access to that capability, but didn't want to use the entire measurement package. There's a lot of measurement capability that a lot of users wouldn't be using, and a lot of users just want to be aware of SPL measurement. And so we have the ability, with the enhanced ability of the Smaart 8 package and the Smaart SPL package, the standalone package, we have the ability to simultaneously measure and log many SPL parameters, banded SPL, exposure, be able to graph that and to be able to create reports on that, to be able to remotely monitor the SPL, so anyone who wanted to go onto, say, a web interface and monitor the SPL, all that capability has been built in to the SPL functionality in Smaart 8 and, of course, Smaart SPL. If you want to learn more about this product or download a demo, you can go to rationalacoustics.com on our website, and there's a page about the SPL and about the Smaart SPL product.